Are you thinking of new ways to earn money to add to your streams of income? Or maybe you're on the lookout for lucrative options to do in your spare time. I have a secret technique for you to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month. This information was kept under wraps because the more individuals were unaware of it, the greater the potential for financial gain. For you to get the most out of watching this video, I will spill the beans and everything there is to know about this top secret strategy. Make sure you watch the whole video because every single instruction is essential. Don't skip over any of it. And don't go anywhere because I will teach you a bonus trick that can significantly boost your earnings. Therefore, keep tuning in as it costs you nothing and is available to everyone, everywhere. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and truly doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. I will run through the nuts and bolts of how this method works. You may be confused as to why they want to compensate you for spreading the word about their link and generating click-throughs. Why? Because every company and business online want you to come, read, and perhaps buy from them. They want to increase the size of their business. You will direct traffic to their site and receive compensation regardless of whether or not the visitors make a purchase. This is known as cost per action or CPA marketing, in contrast to affiliate marketing, which requires a sale to be completed. Simply having people click your link and fill out some basic information is enough to generate a payout in CPA advertising. Right now, this is your best option if you want to work from home, have access to a phone or computer, and can spare 10 to 30 minutes per day. If you hate selling, this is your best shot. So the website we have today is called affplus.com. This is wonderful since it allows you to make a great deal of money from a variety of channels all through a single website. You can make as little as $1 or hundreds of thousands of dollars. How do you determine which of the many available tasks to complete on this site to do first? Let me show you what I mean by hovering over the trending button. You'll find the 10 most lucrative niches in which to invest your time and energy. Among our various offerings and sections like dating, weight loss, crypto, health, and many more, if you want to make money on this platform, you need to focus on one of these 10 main areas. My first and most important piece of advice is that the weight loss section is where you will find the greatest profit potential. Listen carefully so you don't miss out any important details. I'll show you how it's done using some real-world scenarios. To begin, navigate to the weight loss section. Here's an opportunity with virtually no ceiling in terms of potential financial gain. You can get paid as often as every hour with no restrictions. The site's ability to create many streams of money from a single operation is its greatest strength. This is an example of an offer with a payout that is shown when you click on it. You'll promote a link on other websites in the hopes of earning a commission. What do you think of our featured website today? Drop your comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give the video a big thumbs up. We are grateful for your support. If they purchase after clicking your link, you'll get the credit. The very best part is that they have no obligation to buy from you in any way. Nothing needs to be sold to get this. It is absolutely free. If you provide a link to another person, that person will be able to click it and be transported to a website where they can place an order. And if they do so, you will receive a payment. It's that simple, and you will continue to earn money with every click. You may make $95 or more with other bargains like this one. This one right here is the one we are going to pick. Simply sending folks to this link might earn you $95. Moreover, your earnings are not limited to that amount. They increase proportionally with the number of people who click your link. I'm about to let you in on a little secret that will allow you to promote and distribute links to many offers at once and so generate multiple streams of income. I will choose one of these instances to quickly show you how you can benefit from this deal. After clicking on this link and choosing the Join Network option, you will be taken to this website of the business's owner. To sign up for a free account, just scroll down and click the Sign Up as an Affiliate link. After filling out the form with your personal information and billing address, you will click the Next button to finish the account setup process. If you choose to promote this offer, you will be given a unique link to do so. After creating an account and receiving a unique link, the following steps is to aggregate several links and offers into a single location. Customers can access 5, 6, or even 10 different offers from that one link, allowing you to generate several streams of income with minimal effort. Let me show you exactly how the thing you are promoting works so you can start telling others about it. To get started, go on over to linktree.com. Let me tell you a specific case in point. As you go down, you'll see a spot where it costs you nothing to add a single link. The Linktree profile allows you to put up several links, such as 5. If someone uses any of these links, even the initial one, they will reach the website. Let's look at an example like Gary Vaynerchuk's Linktree. You can see that he has numerous links that, when clicked, take you to his various offerings, including products, communities, and social media. Before we continue, how are you enjoying this video so far? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments below. For the time being though, let's get back to the video and we will do our best to answer all of your concerns individually. The game will be completely different after you add in all the possible links. Multiple offers are available for you to promote. You can earn this much money by completing as many as 15 links simultaneously. You can generate multiple revenue streams with the help of this no-cost software. In this example, I'll show you the ropes. Simply select Get Started for free, fill out the required fields, and hit Register. You will be asked to provide your name and choose up to 3 tags that best describe your Linktree from a drop-down menu. Select Health and Wellness. Enter your information where it asks for it, and finally click Save Details. If you don't want to shell out the cash for the Pro version, the free version has everything you need. What you'll see if you click the Continue with Free button is Thank you for joining. Upon clicking the Continue button, you will receive an email, and you must verify that to get the most out of the software. Here, I'll provide a quick demonstration of how to link your Linktree account. You can add your first link by clicking the Add New Link button on the main page. I want you to start by looking for the highest paying offer you can find. For example, I'd like to send you the URL for this promotion so that you can make $95. And once I have the link in hand, I will head back to Linktree to add it. I'm going to type Lose Weight Fast into the area designated for the title, and then I am going to click on this bar to activate it and make it green. If people click this link, they will be taken to the main page of the website from which you can make money. I need you to press this green button so that we may add the second connection. To make this the primary focus for readers, I need to move it to the top of the list. To increase your chances of getting people to click on a different link and thereby bring in more money, I am going to make a slight adjustment to the second link's headline and make it something like Learn how to shed pounds at home. After you've made this active, insert the link here. You can proceed in the same manner again to find further offers to advertise. All you have to do is copy this URL, come back here, and paste it where the old one is. For different URLs, you can do this 7 to 10 more times. You have a ton of options. I'll just use titles 1 and 2 to demonstrate the variety of connections I have at my disposal. Once everything is done, you can add anywhere from 10 to 20 unique links. More links mean more money in your pocket. But let's put that idea on hold for now. If you found today's video helpful, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave some feedback in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to everyone who takes the time to do so. Now, let's get back to the video. After you have completed adding all of our minor links, this will be the final one. You should tell everyone you know to go to this link. All 4 links will be presented to them in one convenient location, and you will earn money if any of those links are followed and the required information is provided. If you want people to be able to change your name and profile picture after clicking your link, you'll need to copy this URL and share it. If someone clicks on any of these links, they will be taken to the website and you will earn a commission. This is the perfect opportunity to put Linktree to use and generate many streams of revenue. I'll show you the best way to boost your click-through rate and start making money immediately. Simply copy this link to your browser's address bar to quickly access Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter account already, sign up for one. It's free. After clicking through to Twitter's main page, you'll find Search Twitter in the spot. Keywords change depending on the deals you're trying to promote. If you want more people to click on your link for weight loss, for instance, you need to find people who are already interested in the topic. Go back to Twitter and search for weight loss tips. Several people from different backgrounds will be talking about their experiences with losing weight. Below, you'll find a list of tweets about different issues, each of which links to a page where you can add your 2 cents. Take this one as an example. Since many people are commenting, you may write, "If you want to learn how to lose weight, I have some free recommendations for you guys. Just add your link information after clicking here." This will be published after the last one. Countless people will flock to this entry, and if they find what you have to say interesting, they will read your tweet and follow the link you gave. If they do, they will see your main page and be able to access the other resources you provided. And when they do, they will be redirected to the main page of the site. You can keep earning with every click as long as they keep entering even the most basic information. Once more, there are an infinite number of options for search terms, material, and sale pitches. It is simple to reply to these comments, tweet your Linktree URL, and then repeat the procedure. How easy is that? And the best part is that there are so many products you can choose from. You just let these links work for you and help you earn thousands of dollars from anywhere in the world with minimal effort. Tell us about your experience with our strategy for you today by leaving in the comments section below. Your insights could be of great help for our community of money makers. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Good luck and see you in our next video.